pork barrel in flood control, the grand theft of the people's safety. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. The stink of corruption is once again flooding the nation, and this time it tricks of pork barrel funds disguised as flood control projects. Lawmakers may pretend that the pork barrel system is dead, but in reality, it has simply changed its mask, reborn as billions of pesos worth of so-called flood control projects. Let us be clear, this is not just a waste, this is plunder. This is theft from the Filipino people dressed up as public service. Billions are funneled into the Department of Public Works and Highways every year, supposedly to build dikes, drainage systems, and river walls. Yet every monsoon, our cities and towns drown. Families wade through chest-deep waters, livelihoods are washed away, and the children are forced to flee their homes. If these funds were honestly spent, flood should have lessened, not worsened. The truth is undeniable. Most of these projects are either substandard, overpriced, or pure fiction, ghost projects designed to fatten the pockets of lawmakers and their favored contractors. This is pork barrel politics as its ugliest. The same politicians who once fought to preserve their discretionary funds have simply carved them out under a new label. Flood control has become the perfect excuse. Who would dare question funding for a disaster prone nation? Yet, in reality, these funds do not save lives, they line pockets. They do not protect communities, they protect political dynasties. Every stolen peso here is a death sentence. Every ghost project is a betrayal. Every washed out home is proof of that corruption kills. And yet the thieves in Barong and Suit smile before cameras boasting of projects that either collapse with the first rain or even not existing at all. The Marcos administration cannot pretend ignorance. The DPWH has admitted anomalies. The evidence is there. If the government turns a blind eye, then it is complicit in this robbery of lives and resources. What we need is not excuses, but full exposure. Public posting of all flood control projects, real-time audits, citizen monitoring, and the prosecution of lawmakers and DPWH officials who conspire in this scam. Filipinos deserve genuine flood protection, not paper projects and pocketed billions. Until these political crocodiles are caged, floods will not just be acts of nature, they will remain acts of corruption. Thank you for watching.